Four-way tug-of-war. I think Phoebe's winning. Oh, it's a five-way six-way tug-of-war. Who's winning? Phoebe's still winning. Who's you? Hi. Hi. We're in the garage playing. We've been working on sounds. I'm going to show you. I have a dustpan. You can tell that these guys could care less about any noise. They actually want to play with it. We're in the garage because it's going to storm. I don't know if you